Hi everyone, how are you today? Today I want to show you my precious baby, this beautiful website here. This website is I designed it by the Justice Video Network, JVN in short, of the Service Ontario. It's called a database system. So why I designed this website? Because previously, like JVN managed all the data through something like Google Sheet. Can you imagine that? It would be a disaster because it was super hard for user to manage the data consistency. If you update one sheet and then you will go to update a lot of other sheets, and sometimes will also make user will also accidentally modify the data too. So that's why I make this website. So this is the landing page here because I use the Microsoft B2B login, so it will be a little bit hard for a normal user to access my system to see what it looks like. So I want to make this video to have a quick preview of this website. Let's go, log in. Right, so I need to sign this website to the right domain of this email. So after I log in, it will direct me to this first landing page. We have different teams. We call it module. You could think it's like we have an intake team, operation team, and project management team. So for now, only the intake team is completed. And also, you can see my user profile here, and like here is a. You could also go to a different team through every page by this navbar. So let's go. It's the landing page because each like we what we do is that we help to digitalize a court so that people don't need to go to the court in person. Sometimes they could choose virtual. So we manage each court's hardware, and to do that, we need a project to establish based on the court. So you could search by like project ID in this landing page of intake page, like Mac, and it will show you all available ID you show here. And also you could add a new project or few active project. So let's go to all of project list page here. And here also you have some simple filter to field search project. I won't go to more detail about the business logic. I will just show you quick preview of how it looks like. And here you can see a lot of project ID and pagination. Like there are total 80 results, and I will show 10 rows of data at once. So there will be only 2 pages. And you could also sort by date edit or something. So let's go to one of the project to see what it looks like. So this is the project detail page, and you can see a lot of project metadata here. For example, you could assign to some user, to some employer, to some PM, and also you could assign to multiple users. And if you want to, we have like some tickets to trace this project bugs or project issue. You can add a different ticket here, and also you have a really nice log here. So because I'm not the owner of this log, so I cannot modify it. If you want to add a note, let's say let's make a quick note log here, and let's go to here. You can see because I'm the owner here, so I could modify this log, and also you can search by the different location which this project belong. For example, you can search by name. It will have a name address called Brenton Court, or you can search by address like 7755. So give a lot of option for user to search based on their need. Very convenient, and you could add because each course has a different rooms available, so you could add the room according to this project too. So, and also for this ministry is a more like dynamic drop down here. For example, now I have this Mac Mac in industry. So this Mac ministry have different division. If I change the ministry here, Sojourn, you can see the option drop down change according to a different ministry or division you choose. So you could also add a cost or physical budget here. And each project have a different milestone. You could give a timestamp according to a different status. There will be different 3 status plan complete not required. And each project will have also different orders. I made because there are 3 kind of orders. So I make these orders more like responsive dropdown if you want to see it, so that there won't be too many data within one page. Okay, let's go back to the project. That's pretty much about a project. Okay, next I want to introduce about the run solution profile. What is the run solution profile? Previously, I mentioned that each project will have because each project belongs to one course and one course will have multiple rooms available. So we can see here, you can add available room here, and each room will have a solution profile, which basically means what equipments or functionalities are available within that room. So you can see the address, like ministry division, and which floor, and the business region or hours operation of this room. And you could also decide the level of court here. And here you could add the different room function like jury deliberation, court appearance, and it will show a clear tag here. And also you have different system functionalities, and you could add a different functionality here to modify it. And within this room, you could add a lot of others like more details. So that's pretty much about the run solution. So that's my introduction today. I hope everyone likes it and enjoy it. For more detail about how I designed the database and the system I provided at GitHub, I hope you could take a quick look at it, and I'm welcome and open to any suggestion or feedback. Thank you for your time today. Bye bye.